Hello, hello! This is Cruising Chris from EndlessHorizonVacations.com coming to you this week from the Carnival Magic. It is August 30th, 2021, and we decided to take an interior room this time just to see how an interior room is, how it's laid out. So this is the room tour of an interior room. We're on the 7th floor of the Carnival Magic. So right when you walk in, you do have to take your SeaPass card, and it is a signature of Carnival. Right when you walk in from the door, you have to put it in the little slot here. And what that does is it's an energy saving technique Carnival uses. Once you take this out of the slot, the lights and everything inside the cabin, they go off after 30 seconds. So when you're leaving the room, that saves a lot of energy. So right when you walk in, you will have the bathroom on the right, plenty of storage on the left. On the left, first door is lots of hanging space and extra comforters in case you get cool at night. Hanging space there, and there are your life jackets. Now that is just the first closet. Very surprised on how much room you actually have in this room as far as storage goes. Here is the second closet. I've got a full-size suitcase in the bottom, more hanging space, and very nice storage up top. Again, a third. For an interior room, this is quite a bit of room. Third closet, a lot more shelving, full-size suitcase at the bottom again. Here, every room, which is very, very nice, even interior rooms, every room has a refrigerator. And you see there, one little tip for the refrigerators, it is closed up in this little cabinet. The more you can keep the outer door open, then the cooler it stays. It lets the refrigerator unit get cool the way AC or the way the refrigerators go ahead and cool inside. It needs that ventilation. A lot of people complain about refrigerators not getting too cold. It's because they're overheating inside and they do not cool properly. Up above, you have a safe, and safe is very nice, but not very big. It's not big enough for a Chromebook or laptop or anything, just mainly for your passport, wallet, keys, that type of thing. So, television right here in the corner. Nice place to do some work, more drawers there, backlit mirror so you can get ready in the mornings. And then your bed, you have on-off switch for the lights there at the bed, which is very, very nice. I've got one lamp on, one lamp off, just to kind of show you the lighting there. Very nice storage underneath the lamps. For two people, which this room is set up just for two people. There are interior rooms that are set up for four people. A lot of times they'll have the beds being able to drop out of the ceiling. But for two people, this is an excellent room. Very, very pleased with it. Going into the bathroom, come on in, and you do have handheld shower arrangement inside. Very nice that they have shampoo and shower gel dispensers in there, so you don't have to worry about the little bottles that a lot of the hotels go with. And you have toilet, plenty of towels, and you have quite a bit of space, storage space in here, surprisingly enough. You have them there along both mirrors, and then also underneath. So, very impressed on the room. You do have more of an analog heating and air here. So, one thing I do want to point out though, as far as plugging things in, power outlets. You are a little strapped for power outlets in a room like this. Mainly the only power outlets you have. You do have a international 20 or 230 volt there. Not many people use. You have a standard US, but you only have 2 outlets for power there. You do not have any in this whole cabin. You do not have any USB outlets. So bring your charging blocks, bring a USB splitter, and so you can plug it up to the regular outlet. The one I use has 4 USB outlets when you plug it up to a regular US plug. So other than that, that is an interior cabin on the Carnival Magic. And unpack, choose fun. It's going to be a fun ship this week, and I'd highly recommend, if you just want a quick getaway, to choose an interior room. You will be pleased. Thanks for watching. Cruising Chris, EndlessHorizonVacations.com. We are your favorite travel advisor for all cruising needs. We'd love to start a conversation with you at any time, just to answer your questions. We are always here for you, and would love to build that relationship for any future travel plans you might have. So Cruising Chris, EndlessHorizonVacations.com. If you could hit the subscribe button down below, give a little thumbs up. It means the world to us, and it really helps this channel out greatly. Thanks for stopping by.